Hi, welcome back to VASU'S lectures. And today in this module, we are going to see how a C program is being executed. So execution of a C program. So here, let us say this is the first program we are going to see. And the program is written like this. Include stdio.h, that is we have to include a header file that should be written first on the top. Next is integer int for int main void. This is the main is the function. Let us discuss each one in detail. And we have opened a curly brackets and written the statement or instruction. The programming instructions are written after this curly brackets. So printf and a bracket here, right, in the beginning and end. In between, again quotes. In between these quotes, we write something. Whatever we write, that will be printed. That will be given as the output. And return 0 and close the brackets. This is a typical program in C. And let us discuss each one. So here, the output is I'm learning programming in C. Here, I'll be showing the output here on the right side. So the output is shown as I'm learning. Whatever is written between the quotes is printed here. You may ask why this /n is not printed. I'll tell you later. So except this, everything is printed. Next. So points to remember in the program. While writing a program, we need to remember some points like, so this is the program we have written already, seen. Now, coming to this int, already we know this include stdio file, that is the header file. To make use of printf, scanf, we have to include this file, right? stdio.h, standard library file, header file. Next, int main void. Here, the first, after the include, we have written the first. This main and void is written. Or it may be written as int main and just write the brackets. You need not even write void also. What is this? Main is the name of the function. So here, the name of the function is main. So the program starts execution from this. The program's execution, above this we have written something, but this is all to link all these header files and all, but not execution. So the program execution starts only after this main. Next, void. No arguments are necessary. Here, void in the sense, we need not give any value or any variable or any argument. Something you need not write. That's why even you can write just void or even just leave it. Just open the brackets and close it. That's it. This itself indicates void. So there is nothing inside. So the very first sentence is your int main and void. Okay, next. So friends, like, share and comment and subscribe to Dr. Vasu's lectures. I'll see all your comments. If you have any doubts or anything, you can just ask me. I'll reply to all. Subscribe to Dr. Vasu's lectures, right? Thank you. Next. So this is the typical program we have seen. Let us discuss one by one. After this main, we have written these curly brackets, opening and closing. Two curly brackets are drawn here, written. The purpose of this is, after this main, whatever is written between these two curly brackets are the main statements or instructions of the program. They will be executed. Whatever is written between these two will be executed. All program statements should be within these two. The instructions within the braces or these brackets are executed. Only the statements or instructions within these two will be executed. Okay, next. So within this, we have written one sentence, that is printf, and open the bracket, double quotes, and I am learning programming in C, right? And /n and double quotes again, close this, and a semicolon. So this is one line, right? The meaning of it is the printf, we get the output. Whatever is written here, the printf is a function which is included in the header file, stdio file. So make use of this printf, we have included this file. So whatever is to be printed on the screen, here we have to write printf. Printf and open a bracket, right? And within this again, two quotes are required in the beginning and end. And we write whatever is required. I am learning programming in C. And a /n is given here. The meaning of this is we have to next line. It is the new line or next line. The meaning of it is. We will understand this in detail later in the later modules. Okay, next. So it invokes the function printf. It opens or it starts executing this function printf. It simply prints or displays I am learning. So except this new line, it prints whatever is written between these two quotes. Okay, next. /n. This is the meaning for new line. Suppose I have written something after this, we will get that in the next line. We will clearly see this in the next modules. Okay, just for the time being, remember that it is a new line character. Next, semicolon. Semicolon, for every statement or instruction in the program, we have to end with a semicolon. That means that particular statement is end here. Only this is one particular statement. The meaning is in the end we must have a semicolon. Similarly, here we have a semicolon here. We don't have any semicolons here. The semicolons are written only in the main program. Within these two curly brackets, the main program is written. So each statement or instruction must end with a semicolon here. Okay, next. So end with the semicolon. Next comes return 0. This is for all the programs, we just end all these instructions with the end statement return 0. The meaning of it is the last statement. We started the execution of the program with the main here, and it ends here with this statement. The starting of the program starts here and it ends here, it closes, and return to the system a status value of 0, right? It is not even printed or something else. It is the notion that return 0 is written. You may ask, why 0? Suppose I want to write 5 or some 9. It's up to you. Any number can be used, but the notion is 0. Return 0 closes or ends the execution of this program. Okay, it indicates that program is completed. That means once you write this return 0 and semicolon, that means this entire program, whatever may be the number of lines you have written, that is completed. That is the meaning of it. Okay, so thank you, friends. Let's meet in the next module.